Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Tuesday, April 5th, and these are your bell ringer problems. All right, problem number 5. They want us to look at 487,853,210, and they want us to round that to the nearest 10 million. So as we look here, we can see that the 8 in 487 million is in the 10 millions place. So I go ahead and take a look at this 8, look at the next door number, see that that's a 7. That 7 tells me I'm going to round up. So I keep the 4 the same. I'm going to round my 8 up to a 9, and then everything else is going to become a 0. So I get 490 million, period. 490 million. All right. Now, in problem number 6, they want us to take a look at 6 and 84 hundredths plus 8 and 66 hundredths plus 23 and 54 hundredths. The key to adding decimals is that you must always line your decimal up and then make sure that your place values are lined up as well. I can even go ahead and put it in a 0 if I would like, just help myself remember that there is nothing there as a placeholder. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 4 is 14. Put your 4 down, carry your 1. 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 12, or plus 1 is 12, plus 8 is 20. Put your 0 down, carry your 2. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Put your 5 down, carry your 1. 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you're going to go ahead and just bring your decimal down into your answer. So I get 95 and 4 hundredths. And for number 7, they want us to compare the numbers 15 and 32 hundredths, 15 and 32 thousandths, 15 and 65 hundredths, 15 and 65 thousandths. They want us to put these in order from least to greatest. Well, what I can do here, I see that these all have 15, so I'm going to go ahead and cover up the 15 here. Now, I can see that my smallest number that I have here is my 32 thousandths because I go 0, 3, 2. 32 is bigger than 0, 3, 2. So 15 and 32 thousandths is my smallest number, which then would make 3 and a 6, which would make 15 and 32 hundredths my next biggest. And then the same thing applies to these two numbers. If I have 065, it has to be smaller than 65. So I've got 15 and 65 thousandths, and then finally 15 and 65 hundredths. All right. And then last but not least, they want us to round 76 and 813 thousandths to the nearest hundredth. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a look here at my 3, that's my next door number. I'm going to get 76, and I'm going to keep my 8. This 1 is actually going to stay the same because we are rounding down, so that rounds down to 76 and 81 hundredths. All right, we're going to do word problem number 2 on the front and word problem number 2 on the back today. So let's look here. Express the number in standard form: 9,516,043. I've got 9 million, 9 million, 9 million, 9 million. 560,000, so I know that's not going to work. I've got 516, 501, not going to work. 51, not going to work. So this has to be it. 9,516,000. Okay. And then number 2 on the back here. Number 2 on the back. Which number represents the greatest distance? Well, we have 75 hundredths of a... All right, and then once again, sorry about that technical difficulty. Once again, taking a look at number 2 here. They want us to, which one represents the greatest distance? And we've got 75 hundredths of a kilometer, 6 tenths of a kilometer, 51 hundredths of a kilometer, 62 hundredths of a kilometer. And all I really need to do is look at that first digit after my decimal, and I can see that 7 is the biggest digit after my decimal, so 75 hundredths of the kilometer has to be the biggest amount. Okay, and our hashtag today is going to be hashtag smooth day. Smooth day. Smooth day Tuesday. All right. Have a great day, folks.